In this video, we're going to understand video tracks and audio tracks, which are labeled as V1, V2, V3 for video and A1, A2, A3 for audio. Understanding tracks is very important because this is how your entire timeline is structured. Let's start with video tracks. On the timeline, the tracks labeled V1, V2, V3 are video tracks. When you place a video clip on V1, it appears on the screen. If you place another clip on V2 above V1, the clip on V2 will appear in front of the clip on V1. That's because higher video tracks stack on top of lower ones. So think of video tracks like layers. The higher the track number, the more it sits on top visually. Now let's look at audio tracks. The tracks labeled A1, A2, A3 are audio tracks. Unlike video tracks, audio tracks do not stack visually. Instead, they play together at the same time. And if you place music on A1 and voiceover on A2, both will play simultaneously unless muted. So the key difference is video tracks stack visually, audio tracks mix together during playback. Understanding how video tracks and audio tracks work makes editing smoother and prevents confusion as your projects grow bigger. And that's it. You now clearly understand the difference between video and audio tracks in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.